Let's see, this is 18th Street in Wynkoop. Sunday, March 14th, 2021. No cars. Well, every once in a while there's a car, but those people are crazy. That means, who wants to drive in this? This was a very heavy wet snow, so it's just slick as can be. It's Union Station over there. Here we go. Someone's out driving. And in the distance, in the haze, is Coors Field. That's where I'm headed towards. Just walk in the middle of the street. This is Wynkoop and 19th. So I'm gonna have to go around to get to Coors Field. This is part of McGregor Square. These are the offices. There's offices, condos, a hotel, restaurant and retail. I should say overpriced condos. It's very nice, but they're gonna have a tough go at leasing out all this space and selling all the condos. right. Again, this is the corner of McGregor Square. Can I go out a little? We're at 19th and Wazee. And so here's the corner of 19th and Wazee. These are the offices of McGregor Square. They're in the completion stages. Then they also have further on down here condos, hotel rooms, retail and restaurant space. I mean, it'll be quite a nice complex, but it's they would have been better off if they completed this 2 years ago, because I don't know who's gonna lease all the space here. It's about the worst time to open something like this. There's Coors Field. Okay, so here's a sign. Looks like they have it's a parking garage. The hotel is called the Raleigh Hotel, and they have McGregor Square Residences, retail. There'll be a tattered cover. So it'll be, it sure will be quite a place to live, I'm sure. It's named after Kelly McGregor, who passed away. I'm gonna go across the street so you can see it better. Yeah, so you can see there's the office space at the beginning. These must be either condos or hotel rooms. I'm not sure which is which, but it is very nice. Right across from Coors Field. Yeah. Yep. Coors Field there.